Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to turn the water off to your property in an emergency. First of all, what you need to do is go out the front of your property, on your drive, under a bush, on your grass, and you're looking for this black square outside your property, and it will say water on it, like so. Or if you've got a really old school house, you might have one of these tiny metal boxes that say Stopcock on it, like this one down here. It'll be across the middle and it will say Stopcock. What you want to do is you want to lift up them with a flat bladed screwdriver, and you want to grab yourself a water meter key. I'll leave a link down below of a good water meter key that does many different Stopcocks. So this is the new style one that you'll probably have in your property in the UK. Get yourself your flat bladed screwdriver and pop it open. You want to remove this foam disc, which is frost protection, and put it to one side. And then this white lever is a quarter turn isolation valve. You want to get your meter key on that and you want to twist that. It'll only go one way, so do not force it. As you can see, it will twist horizontally with the pipe, and that is safely isolated. With the one inside the metal box, you might have a top of a stopcock, and you need to fully turn that clockwise all the way down till it's nice and tight. Check the meter if you've got one, make sure it's not spinning, then you know it's safely isolated. Pop your frost protection back in and push the cover back down. Then you want to go inside the property and straight to the kitchen sink, and you want to turn on the cold water tap and the hot water tap, and you want to drain the system completely. Once it's fully drained, you know that there's no water in your house and the water will have stopped, so you can get a repair booked in. I hope this video helps. Please do like and subscribe.